What up, guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to keep a 20-year-old motorcycle looking minty fresh forever. Alright guys, real quick, here's an example of what you can do with a 20-year-old Thruxton that makes it look almost brand new. Mods front to back that I can tell. We've got this, well, let's go top to bottom. Looks like a chromed out mount for the clusters. Little shorty mirrors that just barely come out there. And you got the double set of mirrors on this side for actual practical function, I guess. Tail being the Thruxton, suspension is preloads adjustable, so that's nice. Little grilled mount for the headlight. I'm not sure if these nuts are dressed up or if they're original like that. I also don't know if this V configuration is original, just because my own 2012 looks different. This I think is a 2003, 2004. I like the faux wood. Actually, maybe, I don't know if it's faux wood or real wood finish on that. Kind of matches the brown grips here. Makes it a pretty gentlemanly, elegant look. Little signals that are big enough to be seen and safe, and small enough that they're not obstructive, and also simple enough that they kind of blend in with the forks. Obviously you got your fork gaiters, kind of a Triumph essential in a lot of people's minds. I really like this kind of smaller sized front fender. I like that it's got this drilled sort of motif, which we'll see carried through a bunch of other components of the bike. So I like when you have sort of a mishmash of parts, stuff that shows consistency all throughout, really classes up a bike. Speaking of consistency, we got chrome, 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 chrome. A lot of these pieces were not original. These were pieces that were changed later on. I believe this motor did not have the chromed side covers, and probably not the chrome top either. That was all stuff that was purchased and added on later. Stuff like this can, you know, take an old bike that's almost 20 years old, and just as long as you keep that chrome clean, keeps this thing looking mint even 20 years later. Absolutely beautiful, simple, elegant. Do a few little tasteful touches. Little tank strap, shut the fuel off. Obviously this one's still carbureted, so you're gonna have a petcock on the other side. And yeah, just little things that make the bike just add a touch of class, like the drilled holes theme all throughout, as mentioned. Aftermarket pipes, so to be honest, I don't know what brand these are. There's something you don't see every day, little cat face on the brake light. Love it. And again, same signals front to back, big enough to be noticeable, but not so big as to be ugly or in the way. You almost don't really notice them. If anything, maybe that could be a touch more out, but that's personal preference. And again, changing the engine side cover on this side, it makes all the difference. It classes things up. You can tell, added little bits and aftermarket stuff on there. Just nice little touches that make a bike so much better. So clean, no issues, great machine. And for comparison's sake, I did a video earlier where I filmed these guys' Royal Enfield and all of the troubles it was giving them over and over and over again. And that bike was way younger than this one is. This one's 20 years old. You get a good quality bike, you put good quality parts on there, and you keep it clean, take care of it, it'll last you forever. It'll look new forever. Great machine.